Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to use your m.web server on your MFC brother printer. So firstly, open your printer's IP address, so just enter it on your web browser and you will open this settings page. Of course, your printer should be connected to the Wi-Fi network and you should use printer's IP address, not my printer IP address, but yours printer's IP address. How to check printer's IP address you can find in another video on YouTube channel. Okay, then click on this button and click Open Secure Login. Afterwards, it will ask you about entering the password. If you don't know where to check the printer's password, you can watch our video about it. Then click Login and cool, that's it. Now we have all settings on this left panel. As you can see here, general, addressbook, fax, print, scan, online functions and other. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye.